Assalamualaikum and greetings. My name is Muhammad Aizab bin Hozi and I am from KM 104A.
My name is Adam Faris bin Hassan and I'm from KIM 1104A.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Marsha Adriana binti Muhammad Azuddin and I am from KIM 1104A.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nurul Farisha binti Ghazali and I am from KIM 1104A.
Hi, this is part one of the process performing an installation of the operating system using a visual machine. So part one is the preparation of installation disk. So first of all, you're going to open the Google search and search for Windows 10. And then click on the first option. Once it open, you can scroll down a bit and you guys can see this download tool now. Click on the download tool now and it will directly and automatically download it here. You can just click here and then this Windows 10 setup will appear and you have to wait a few seconds. Once the notices and license terms and all the information is provided, you can just directly click accept. And wait a few seconds. So it will appear these two options, which is upgrade this PC now and create installation media. So we're going to click on the create installation media and click next, next again, and choose the USB flash drive, next, and then this is the removal drives. So choose your removal drives and then click on next. So this is the progressing, so you just have to wait until it turns 100%. So once the progress is finished, so your USB flash drive is ready and click on the finish button. And here you go. So that's it for part one. Thank you.
Hi, so for today, I'm going to download a virtual machine. So, what is a virtual machine? A virtual machine is a software environment that emulates a computer system. It facilitates a substitute for a real machine. They mimic computer architectures and offer the same functionality as a physical computer. So, I have decided to choose a VMware Workstation Player as my virtual machine. So, what is VMware Workstation Player? So, VMware Workstation Player is a system specifically developed for IT professionals and developers. So right now, let's get started on how to install the virtual machine. So first, you have to search on Google this VMware Workstation Player. And here you're gonna see this download VMware Workstation Player. So you just click here and scroll down until you find this Try Workstation 16.0 player for Windows. So just press download now. And you have to wait while it is downloaded. However, the features of VMware Workstation Player, it will allow you to keep different privacy settings and network configurations for another virtual PC. So let us wait for it to download it. Okay, so right now you just open your documents and open the downloads part. You just gotta see this so you just press this and wait for the preparing VMware player for installation. So you just go to the just press next, and you just have to read all the agreement. And after you have read all the license agreement, just tick here I accept the term in the license agreement and press next. And you have to read about the custom setup and just press next. And don't forget to read all the terms and conditions. Also press next. Next. And just install it. So you gotta wait for the installations of VMware Workstation 16 player. The installing virtual network drivers may take a little bit of time, but you gotta wait. And yes, you are done, so you can press this finish button.
Hi, my name is Mama Aizat, and now I will show the step 3, installation of operating system. Okay, first, choose the language. I choose United States, and then click next. Click install now. Now the setup is starting. Okay, for the activate window, just click I don't have a product key, and then click next. Okay, for operating system, choose Windows 10 Home and click next. Okay, now click I accept the license terms and click next. Okay, choose the custom install window only. Okay, now click next. Okay, now the window is installing. Wait for several minutes. Okay, so now for the right keyboard layout, choose the US and click yes. For the second keyboard layout, just click skip. Okay, now log in with your email account and click next. Enter your password. Okay, click next. Okay, please wait. Okay, now create a pin. Okay, set up your pin. click OK. Wait for several minutes. Okay, choose privacy setting for your device. Just click accept. Okay, for this one, just click no thanks. Okay, for Cortana, just click accept. Okay, now our Windows 10 is ready to use.
I'm gonna show you how to see your desktop icon. First, go to the left, bottom left, and click Window. Next, you must click at the setting and find Personalization on the right. And then, at left, you find a theme and click. And next, go to the right and find desktop icon setting, which is at the related setting. Click. And then this is the desktop icon. You can change it. This is how to see your PC's information system. First, click Window and click Setting. Next, click System on the left. Next, you scroll to the bottom and click About. This is your PC information system. There's a device specification, Windows specification. I'm gonna show you step by step how to manage your operating system in your PC. First, this step is very easy and you can look it carefully. First, click this PC, right click, and then click Manage. Right, that. Go to the left and find storage and click Disk Management. After that, go to the bottom and you can choose what you want to add a new data, and I choose data D and right click on data D and click shrink volume. This way you can change the amount of space if you want, and then click shrink. This appear data that unallocated. Click that, right click and create new simple volume. Next, click next. You can change the simple volume size if you want. Then click next. Assign the following drive letter and you can choose what letter you want. Let's say I choose M for my letter in my data. Then click next. Volume label, you can change it to the data or any name if you want. Then click next and finish. And then we get a new data, which is data M, the backup for data D. Next, I'm gonna show you how to setting up virtual memory in your PC. First of all, find this PC icon and right click on it. Right click, add this PC icon and click properties at the bottom. Then go to the right, find the advanced system setting at the related setting and click. It appear system properties and then click setting at the performance at the top and go to the advanced. After that, go on the bottom, which is virtual memory, and change. Firstly, you must unlink the automatically managed pegging because it want to allow you to change it manually. And then let's say I'm gonna choose data M and tick the custom size, and then you can customize your own size in your data. Let's say I'm gonna put it 1000. The maximum size, I'm gonna put it 3000. Then click set, and then yeah, this step is gonna help you to creating a new user account and change it to administrative account. First, click window and click setting. After that, click account and find family and other users, and this is it. Click add someone else at the other users. If you already have an account for Microsoft, you can sign in with email or phone, and if you not have, you just click this and click this on the bottom. Now put your name and your own password. in case you forgot your password, you can put some other information like what's the name of the city where your parents met, and you just put your random answer. Security question 2, you just put your first pet name and this is just example, and click your child name. Alright, okay, next, and this is new account, and if you want to change it to administrative account, just click this and click change account type, and click this and click administrator account, click OK. This is how to share your folder to other account user. First, right click at the share folder, the folder that you want to share, and go to the bottom, click properties. Next, go to sharing and you can click share. You can add a user you want and you can share. Let's say I want to share Adam Faris account and share. Done. This is step to see your run task manager. First, go to the bottom in this and right click. After you right click, find a task manager. Okay. This is the application is running in your task manager. As you can see, is the running application. And you can see at the performance GPU. This time I'm going to show you how to change your PC's name. First, go to the window and click setting. After that, click system. Go to the bottom and click about, and here we are at the device specification. Go to the rename this PC. You can change what you want. Down. And after you start, your PC name will change.
And we're done with the steps and processes. Now let's move on to the conclusion. We can conclude that this project 3 of IMD222 helped us a lot with the process based on the guidelines given, which is the process of performing an installation of the operating system using a virtual machine. And this project that my group have shown the process and the steps, which is the first one is the preparation of installation disk. The second progress is installation of visual machine. The third one is installation of operating system, and the last one is the setting up your operating system. So basically, all of these processes are very important in order to provide your software, manage the hardware, and implement all the standard services in the program in our PC. So that's it from us. Thank you.